Hi guys, we're going to play the 12 bar blues today. This is the bass clef video, so this is for trombones, tuba, and bass clef baritones. I've got Barry the baritone. That was the most popular name suggested for my new baritone. The document you see on this screen is the B-flat blues scale for trombone and baritone. So you can use any of these notes that you see here. The most popular ones for learning to improvise would be this yellow one here, B flat, E flat, and F. Same thing for tuba, B flat, E flat, and F. If you stick to those three notes, you really can't go wrong. Feel free to try some of the notes that aren't highlighted. I'll be doing some of the ones that aren't highlighted. Always start on your first note, which is B flat, and always end on your first note, which is B flat. It really helps to give it a good round idea from beginning to end. So I'm going to play the scale for you first so you can hear the blues scale. And then in just a minute I'm going to start the recording. I'll play the first 12 measures of a solo, and then I'm going to stop playing and I'll count on my fingers, and that means it's your turn. If you play one note the whole time, it's okay. It's still improvisation. It's still jazz. If you feel like it, you can go. You can stay on note one the whole time if you want. But as you get more comfortable, try and add some other notes in. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start the recording, and I'll go first. You follow me.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Your turn. Eleven, 12, now it's my turn. Alright, good. That was a lot of fun. If you'd like to do this again but not have me play and just do it all to yourself, let me know and I'd be happy to email you a copy of that song. That was fun. Go back and do it again if you want. Great job. See you later.